Welcome everyone. So I'm here. My name is Olivier Henley. I'm a user experience engineer at AdaCore, and I'm responsible for the Capstone project. Give your students an industrial advantage. So what are capstones? Those are real-world applied integration projects. So we target end of curriculum engineering schools or applied master students. And typically they last from a couple of months to a full year. It's really, they're often in North America, at least. We have end of year, end of bachelor degree projects. Often it's in partnership with the industry. Well, AdaCore is the partner of the industry. We use the Ada and Spark programming language. That's our main focus. And we try to push some projects that are somewhat of interest to AdaCore from a list, but professors and academic context are welcome to propose their own project. Yeah, so the last point is it's adapted to fit your needs, academic objective and whatnot. Some examples, design and implementation of a network embedded SES scope. That's what you will see from the University of Ottawa. We internally, often at AdaCore, we kind of pitch ideas that we would love to have or someone work on, like a Spark-based bootloader for embedded platform, all kind of drivers for bare metals, LCD, thermocouples, solenoids, whatnot. Implementation of AutoSAL drivers. This is more, I would not say formal in terms of what we just heard from the previous talk, but formal in terms, there's a body of specification in AutoSAR to follow and whatnot. So to really tinker about that and try to develop in that context. Creation of a TCP/IP stack for embedded systems, also a flexbox layout system, which is the basis of the modern HTML and CSS. To move on on a UI framework, let's say, that would fit in embedded platform. It exists in C. We can bind to it, but let's say it would be fun or nice to have one in Ada. Who to contact? It's myself. So here you go. It's just henley@adacore.com. You can write to AdaCore if you don't remember my name. We will guide you to my good hands. So now, without further ado, please welcome the AdaScope team from University of Ottawa.